So we have just arrived at the famous walking streets here in Pattaya. That looks crowded, eh? Yeah, let's go in. That looks crowded. Holy Moses. Oh, you guys can talk freely and don't worry about this one. Wow, that's one expensive beer. Come on, be my intern. It's a microphone. What do you want me to do or say? Okay, so welcome to the renewed walking streets. So it's a lot cleaner compared to what it was a few years ago. And if you can show them the new screen as well, we've got a new screen. It looks nice though. You guys wanna shoot? Bang bang! No? On our way back then, on our way back. But at least now you've got quite a good visual representation of the tourist police, which kind of gives people more sort of, you know, I see.
Yeah.
But they're foreigners, eh?
Safety. Yeah, they're tourist police, they're all volunteers. So they're going to have tourists to go.
Wait, so how do you volunteer?
I think you have to be a long-term resident of Thailand. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, they have a fight as well.
Muay Thai.
Oh wow, okay. Well, some are still the same.
Some things never change. It's walking straight. I met some things.
Some things. Oh wow, look at that. Huh? I can't?
Yeah.
Oh.
Only that way.
Okay. Okay, so where was I? Okay, that guy looks cool. Once again, some things are still quite the same. They might have fixed the beach, but Pattaya is still Pattaya. Alright. Alright. Huh. Is that a magic or just like moving cigar? Fair enough. Okay, so I mean, this is why a lot of people come to Pattaya just to experience the walking street. And I mean, to be fair though, it is quite an experience. But I am still amazed to how much foreigners are walking around here. Not just the Indians, but like some Westerners as well. No thank you, man. Alright, just kidding. But yeah, anyhow, like if you are into like not bad though. Lively, noisy, full of things. Okay, yeah, it's okay. I just changed the direction a little bit. Okay, this is a very long street though. Compared to Carlson Road, this is a bit longer, I believe. Wow, what's going on here? What is going on here? Jawa Club. What is happening at Jawa Club? Well, if you're gonna be dancing, it better be free. So, I'm just saying. No, come on now. Be fair, right? Be fair. You go in,
Bus club is also free. Very nice. We've been there.
Bus club. Wow, that looks massive though.
Really massive on the inside.
That looks massive.
I can recommend this place. That.
But I feel like dish looks overrated or like overpriced. So like anything you're gonna be doing here, it's just meant for tourism and that's it. There is nothing else to gain.
It is exactly what it's called. Walk you straight. Just walk
Yeah,
through.
yeah, just walk through.
Everything is just a hype.
Okay, that's the third one. You gotta try it. Even the fourth or the fifth one, I will stop talking. He's a vegan? Since when?
I'm a vegan, right? I don't eat meat. I don't eat eggs.
Okay. Actually, me too though. I only eat animals that eat grass. So
too.
technically, I must say
grass.
yes.
That's what I
Okay,
said here.
okay, fair enough. Is there a difference? This one or this one?
Is it 100 baht? Is it 200?
How many rounds?
3 round, 15 round. Yeah, it's 55.
Oh, double 50. Can I try first? Oh, it's really heavy, Eric. It's really heavy, Eric. It's really heavy. It's like the real deal.
Like you're back into your natural environment, right?
It's like, whoo, let's go. Oh, wow. I want to play with this one. This was 200, right?
Yeah.
Let's do this one. Why not?
Are you sure? One target, only one target, right?
Yeah.
I can see.
Yeah? I think he's dead. He's empty?
Yeah.
Empty. I think he died. Oh, right, okay. I still got my shooting skills. Bullseye. A kill. Well, 1, 2, I miss Phil.
One is shot.
One is shot. I'm gonna drop your weapon. All right. You have change?
Yeah.
My new wall poster.
Thank you.
Thank you. I keep this? Yeah? All right, now I'll go walk around with my kill shots. You want to try? Come on. Eric, I know you're tempted to try. I know you're tempted to try, Eric.
Hey, this is violent.
No, this is like, you know, this is therapy.
But this paper has a family.
Now it's dead. It's therapy. There's more. Holy shit.
And wow.
All right, that was fun though. The rain is coming down though. Harmony Herbs. Okay. Anyhow, we are still here at Pattaya's walking street. Yeah, so it's full of bars, restaurants, creepy reptiles. I feel bad for those birds though. Holy shit, it's so loud. this always this long?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, current all over the place.
oh, now we are like what? Wow. I am more surprised with the amount of Indians. Like I thought there was like a lot in Danang. No, compared to this, wow. Yeah, we even go Habibi. This is insane. Oh my days. Yes, we are still in Thailand. We are not in Mumbai or New Delhi. This is Thailand. This is Pattaya. Wow. Almost one of, I don't know, like every third bar is Indian. Third or fourth. It just counts. You just go, it's okay. I'm not kidding. And it's fun, eh? You know what? Let's play a game. Let's find someone and go. Oh, yeah. Okay, there's already here though. Holy shit. Wow. I reckon in like 5 years from now, okay, it's getting heavier. Let's hide. It got heavier. You see, I told you, I could smell the rain. You were like, it's not gonna rain. I was like, can you smell?
The small island. Yeah.
Do we head back?
Yeah, you could say this is the end. There is a small market there, but it's not fancy.
Well, I think in this rain, it's all gonna like slowly die down.
We can start heading back. Rain. It's not gonna rain.
What do you call this?
This is not rain. This is, yeah, it's a drizzle.
It's like some British mentality. They refuse to acknowledge that when there is fucking water pouring from the sky, it's not rain. No, it's not. Do not destroy my holiday. It's not a rain. Oh my days. It's like some. Let's play along and call this a drizzle, not a rain. Although we're about to get soaked, and yeah, why not? All right, so we just walk the street. That's the ending of the street. We're gonna walk back where we came from. It's a long walk, and no, we are not gonna make a stop in this street. We are not buying anything. We are not doing anything else but just walk it. It is called the walking street for a reason. It's meant for walking. Yes. However, if you do wanna like stop one of these bars, please do so. But have it in mind, the prices here are insane. So if you have a heavy wallet and you're like, well, I'm traveling once in a blue moon, man, go for it. Do the Habibi, do the...
So if you're into that kind of movie there.
Exactly.
Russian girls.
Hey, be like, alright, so as you were explaining, this it has everything you can imagine. It has food, drinks, activities, shows, the famous ping pong, you know what. But then again, also Korean bar, that's interesting. I won't even stop anywhere I'm here. But that being said, it's meant to be loud and noisy and fun. So when you're here to have fun, this is the definition of fun here at the walking street in Pattaya. Once again, it's a very long street. The wind and the rain are picking up. So I think we might have to stop filming in a bit because of the rain. But then again, why should we? Although it's raining, there are still people walking around. And I'm still very surprised with the amount of Indian restaurants, night bars. Wow, but this is huge. Holy Moses. That's a big one. The whole building is like a club. Jawa Club. Welcome to Jawa Club. Oh, they are everywhere. The Jawas. Fascinating. You don't have to yell, you know. Like, okay, I'm not gonna film that, so that's pure trouble. To be fair, I am curious to see how Khao San looks like nowadays. It is loud. We are back at the entrance of the walking street. So yeah, there you have it. That is the Pattaya walking street. It's a fun street to be at, full of vibrant activities to do. A lot of people to see. Sorry, a lot of things to see. I do believe that okay. There you have it, the walking street with a big ass screen.